The wait is finally over, and Apple is about to drop a bombshell that will change the tech industry forever. Imagine walking into an Apple store and buying a brand new MacBook for the price of a mid-range smartphone. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Tim Cook just confirmed that a massive wave of new hardware is arriving starting Monday, March 2nd, and it is going to shake up everything we know about Apple. We are not just getting one or two minor updates here. We are looking at a total wave of new hardware that includes new iPads, incredibly powerful MacBooks, and even a brand new iPhone. But the most shocking part of this massive release is not just the futuristic technology inside these devices. It is the price. For the very first time, Apple is finally aggressively targeting the budget market. If the details are true, and they almost certainly are, Apple is about to release the most affordable MacBook in history, alongside an entire lineup of devices designed to give you extreme power without emptying your wallet. Let us start with the iPads because these incredible tablets are the absolute heart of the March launch. The base model iPad is officially moving into its 12th generation, and let me tell you, it is a massive leap forward. The biggest and most important change is the silicon chip powering the device. Apple is expected to jump from the old A16 chip all the way up to the A18 or even the A19 chip. This is a huge deal because of Apple Intelligence. Right now, the current base model iPad simply cannot handle Apple's advanced new artificial intelligence features. It lacks the processing power. But the 12th generation will change all of that. To support these intense AI workloads, Apple is heavily upgrading the RAM to 8 gigabytes. This means you will get the absolute full suite of AI writing tools, the completely revamped and much smarter Siri, and crazy fast processing right on the most affordable tablet in their entire lineup. We are also expecting lightning-fast Wi-Fi upgrades and much better cellular connectivity for those who work on the go. But the absolute best part of this iPad update? The price should stay exactly the same at $349. This makes the 12th Gen iPad the ultimate undisputed tool for students, casual users, and anyone who wants Apple's latest AI without paying pro prices. But what if you actually need more power? Do not worry, because the iPad Air is also getting an incredible refresh. The brand new iPad Air will feature the absolute beast of a chip, the M4. Until now, this processor was entirely locked away inside the super expensive iPad Pro models. Putting the M4 inside the Air gives it a massive, game-changing boost in performance for video editing, gaming, and heavy multitasking. At an expected price of $599, the iPad Air M4 is going to easily be the sweet spot for the vast majority of users who want premium power at a reasonable cost. It will also likely come in fresh, vibrant new colors to really shake things up. Now, hold your breath because the real headline act of this March event is the heavily rumored $599 budget MacBook. For years and years, people have literally begged for a Mac that can actually compete with cheap Windows laptops and Chromebooks. Apple is finally delivering on that dream. This highly secretive new device, currently code-named J700, is designed to completely take over the entry-level market. It is rumored to use an A-series chip, very similar to the hyper-fast processor found inside the iPhone 16 Pro. By using this customized mobile silicon, Apple is able to drastically cut their manufacturing costs while still offering great performance that crushes the competition. To hit this aggressive low price point, Apple might make a few small sacrifices, like skipping the backlit keyboard. But in return, you get a beautiful, thin, incredibly light laptop with an operating system you love and a battery that will easily last all day long. This is going to sell out instantly. But what about the hardcore professionals? Do not worry, because the high-end MacBooks are certainly not being ignored this week. We are fully expecting the insanely powerful M5 Pro and M5 Max chips to debut in the premium 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros. These new chips will use highly advanced technology to squeeze out even more ridiculous power and efficiency. You can easily expect more processing cores, better graphical power, and a massive jump in AI performance tailored specifically for heavy workloads like 3D rendering and professional video editing. To make sure nobody is left behind, the standard fan-favorite MacBook Air is also rumored to get the brand new standard M5 chip this week, keeping the entire laptop lineup completely up to date and faster than ever. Now, moving away from computers, let us talk about the smartphone in your pocket. We are seeing the highly anticipated arrival of the iPhone 17e. This phone is huge news because the 17E will finally feature the dynamic island, completely and officially killing off the old screen notch for good. It makes the budget iPhone look just as modern and premium as the Pro models. It will also include the highly popular MagSafe technology for much faster and more reliable wireless charging. Under the hood, this sleek new phone will sport the incredibly fast A19 chip, instantly making it a budget powerhouse that will outlast any Android phone in its price range. Finally, there are a few extra surprises that could easily drop alongside all these major devices. We might finally see a brand new Apple Studio display featuring significantly better screen brightness and color accuracy. There are also loud whispers going around about a brand new HomePod smart speaker or a heavily updated Apple TV explicitly designed for serious gaming. Since Apple is choosing to reveal all of this incredible technology via press releases instead of a giant stage presentation, you can expect these amazing products to simply drop on the Apple website randomly throughout the entire week. In my opinion, this $599 budget MacBook is easily the most important product Apple has released in an entire decade. It completely proves that they are finally ready to make the Mac experience accessible to absolutely everyone, not just the wealthy elite. This is a very bold, aggressive move that could easily put a MacBook in every single classroom around the entire world, destroying Chromebooks once and for all. This represents a massive shift in Apple's overall strategy, a shift that actually prioritizes real value for the consumer without ever sacrificing that beautiful, premium feel we all love. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.